Looking for a charming home in a serene neighborhood? Then look no further than this spacious 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with ample space for comfortable living. As you step inside, you'll notice a versatile 14 by 10-foot room on the first floor, perfect for a den, hobby room, or convenient laundry area, providing flexibility to suit your lifestyle. Revel in the fresh ambiance with new carpeting and gleaming stainless steel appliances in the kitchen, creating a modern and inviting atmosphere. Additionally, new luxury vinyl plank flooring adds durability and aesthetic appeal throughout the home, promising both style and functionality. The expansive owner suite boasts a generously sized walk-in closet and a full bath, offering a private sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation. Enjoy casual dining in the cozy eat-in kitchen or entertain guests in the elegant formal dining room, providing options for every occasion. Discover ample storage space with a convenient walk-in attic, ensuring that all your belongings are neatly organized and easily accessible. This home has been meticulously maintained, with a tear-off roof installed in 2012, new central air conditioning unit added in 2023, and a boiler replaced in 2010, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. This is a great home with an abundance of features and desirable amenities, so don't wait another minute. Call Rick Whitman for all the details.